how to change the cursor size to medium or large on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. From here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down to the bottom and tap on accessibility. From here, tap on interaction and dexterity. Now tap on the left hand side panel on assistant menu. From here, we scroll down to the bottom and tap on touchpad and cursor control. Then in here, we tap on cursor size, and from the pop-up menu, you can select medium or a large size. And that's it. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to your home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.